Hey guys, it's Ashish from ashvircreations and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well guys, today in this video I'm gonna give you urban street fashion preset in the form of mobile Lightroom DNG preset, as well as for your desktop Lightroom, as well as for your camera preset in Photoshop. All the links are down given in the description, so you can just download it for free. So now we're gonna install this preset to our Lightroom. So the very first thing you need to do is just to copy that preset to your smartphone, your SD card. Click on the plus button on the below of the Lightroom application. I have already imported some photos, so let's unselect the JPG and only select the raw files. Raw files are the preset file which are present in your SD card or your smartphone. So here is the urban street fashion preset. Now just click on the add button, so it will be added to my all photos gallery of the Lightroom. Let's just wait for the moment to the preset to be added. So here it is successfully added. So here is the preset file. Right now all you're gonna do is just click on the three dots on the right screen and select the copy settings and just hit OK. Now go back and let's apply it to some other photo. Let's try it on this photo. Click on the three dots and select the paste settings, and you can see the difference. It is really looking very amazing, like kind of creamy gold effect with kind of moody cinematic look, which is a perfect preset for your street styling, portraits or photos. Click on the three dots and select the paste settings, and you can see the difference, guys. It is really looking very amazing. So guys, you can just download this preset in the form of your desktop Lightroom, as well as for your camera preset or Photoshop also, just for free. All the links I'll be putting in the description, so you can just check out that links directly from our website. Let's try it on this photo. Just click on the three dots and select the paste settings, and you can see the difference. It is really looking dope, guys. So guys, I hope you all have enjoyed this preset. If you enjoyed, then just smash the like button so that it will motivate me to make more videos like this for you guys for free. And if you still not subscribed to our channel, then do subscribe so that I'm gonna post everyday new videos, so you get notified. Also don't forget to press the bell icon. Also visit our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you're gonna find new backgrounds, camera preset, Lightroom preset, lots and many more cool stuff like this for you guys for free. And also guys, don't forget to visit our second website to download the premium collection of presets just for free in the form of mobile Lightroom, lots, also the camera preset and many more stuff. That is www.filterpreset.com. So you can just download it from there, the premium collection of presets. Also guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, just type ashvircreations. So guys, thank you for watching and bye bye till the next video. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome.